Good afternoon, folks. Well, I just messed that up royally. I did it once already and messed it totally up. Anyway, this is my new kit. This one is named after my mother. Now, her nickname was Chic because her given name was Olive, and she liked Chic better, and she had a twin brother that was called Chicky. So my mother's Chic was Chic. Now, my mom would have been 104 today. She was just the sweetest lady. Anyway, this is named after her. So this is what the kit's going to look like, and this is the first piece. So then we have this nice big piece of fabric, this one. So you've got lots to play with. Oh, sorry, Gail, I have to fold it up. It's just I have it. I know she hates that when I do that, but that's okay. Then I have this one with those subtle blue roses on it. Again, I love that one. Then we have this one. It's kind of a stretchy green. It's part of a shirt, but it looks so like the green in the leaves that I had to use it. And then we have this beautiful piece of lace to go with it. And then we have this piece of lace as well. And this piece of satin, which is lovely. So there's that one. Then I have this piece of sheer tulle. So pretty, and it matches so beautifully. Then I put in a little piece of pink with this backing on it. Give you a little bit of depth in the pink. Here's another piece of lace. So there's that pretty one. And this one, lots of pink. This piece of, it almost looks like watermelon to me, but I love this color. Then I have a little bit of blue, only a tiny bit, because I took the only piece I had and cut it up for the 4 kits. So that was my piece. You're welcome. Then there's this one. There's quite a bit here of this one. And one of these pretties. And then I put in some flat back pearls and some of this gorgeous ribbon. It's identical color to the lilacs in this fabric. I put in a couple of these. I also put in 5, I think there's 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Then there's a piece of trim. And I also put in 10 doilies. Okay, so I only made 4, and it's called Chic, C-H-I-C, and I will be getting it up in the next hour, so if you want one, you better rush over and put your name down. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.